going on, everybody? TheBionicScoop here. So I'm a big tech guy. Clearly, my stuff's about tech. Big fan of new tech, exclusive new tech. So I got myself signed up for the Amazon Day One program on a specific item, the Echo Loop. It's a smart ring that has Alexa built in. So I got my Fit Kit. I got my new loop. So let's unbox it, take a look at it, get an initial fit, some first impressions on the fit and everything, and let's go from there. Let's talk about it. All right, we'll start off with the fit kit here. Comes in the black box. We opened it, and it gives you 4 different sizes to choose from to find your fit. I like things on my ring finger, so I went with the large. For my ring finger fits in my right or my left hand. So I wore it around for about 3 days to get an idea what was going to be the best size, be it medium or large or extra large. Extra large, a little too big for my fingers. I didn't want to wear it on my index finger, so I went with the large. And let's transition over here and get the big boy, the big deal, the star of the show. It's in a pretty non-distinct little box. It's kind of cool, a little cute. Got the Amazon smile on it. So we're gonna crack it open here. All right, so it's got a slide-out style. So we're gonna go ahead and take the tape off. Got an Amazon smile, and there it is. So the dummy itself is plastic. This feels like it's definitely brushed metal on the outside and a nice feeling on the inside. Definitely feels better than the plastic for sure. So we're just going to take that off. We're going to see what's on the inside here. All right, so you've got USB-A to micro USB cord, your charging dock, and all your Echo Loop paperwork. So we're gonna transition back to the surface and let's take a look at some interesting parts about the ring. Okay, one of the first things I noticed getting my hands on it is the build quality is really nice. I really enjoy this ring. There's a button to activate it. There's your speaker on the top. It's got LEDs to illuminate so you know it's active. Number one, even compared to what the dummy fitting unit feels like, this is a lot more comfortable than I thought it was going to be. I really like it. It's going to be really nice to use on a daily basis, and I think I'm going to have fun with it. I do like where you can spin the ring 90 degrees to get to the button easier, so I can reach it with my thumb or the inside of my finger if I need to. Yeah, man, I'm excited to get this thing set up. I do like your charging dock. It's magnetic, so once the ring's on, it stays on, so that's pretty neat. That's about it for my first impressions for feel and everything. I'm going to get it set up, pair it up with my phone, and start using it in my daily life, and I'll be back shortly to talk about it for not too long. Also, shout out to my man Action Braxton, local Las Vegas professional wrestler, future stars of wrestling. Had to give him a shout out on the shirt. I'm all about supporting the brothers that are out there doing their thing in the pro wrestling world. So glad to wear the shirt, proud to wear the shirt. That's all I got. You guys take care. Looking for more content about this ring. Yeah, I'm really excited. The Amazon ecosystem is flowing freely in my apartment with all my smart plugs and everything, and I'm looking forward to really using it and pushing it. So thanks again. You guys take care.
That's how